Welcome to the Vedic Maths classes. Watch the video till last. So, our today's topic is digital roots. So, students, let's start. Good evening, students. Welcome back. Welcome to the Vedic Maths classes. I hope you all are safe at home. So, stay home, stay safe. As students, in my previous videos, we have learned the topic working base multiplication. In that, we have learned multiplication of 2-digit and 3-digit. So today, we are taking a new topic and a new concept. That concept is digital roots. Now, as you are in Vedic Maths class, so you should know what this digital roots is called in Vedic mathematics. It is called Navashesh. Navashesh means Navashesh means 9 and what remains. So this time I will explain you how to take out the digital root of any number. But first of all, I will tell you the use of this digital roots. See, digital roots help us to check the accuracy. Now what is accuracy? Accuracy means that your sum is right or wrong. आपका sum सही है या गलत है. For this, you use this digital roots. Digital roots help us to check the accuracy of our answers in a fraction of second, means in some seconds. By the help of digital roots, you can check that your answer is right or wrong. Now students, remember, in your exam time or in the normal days when you do maths, you found your answer wrong. आपका कोई आंसर गलत हो जाता है. Then what you do? You do the whole sum. See, redoing the whole sum without means आपको sum दोबारा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. See, whenever you get any sum wrong, what you do? You do the whole sum again. आपको पूरा sum दोबारा करना पड़ता है and then you got your mistake. But with the help of digital roots, you can check your answer in some seconds and there is no need to doing the whole sum. So students, make sure you watch every single video and stay tuned to learn more. So let's start our today's topic, digital roots. Now see students, this digital roots help you to check the accuracy related to addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So students, with the help of digital roots, you can find out addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Means the accuracy. Means if you have done any addition sum or you have done any division sum and that sum is wrong. So with the help of digital roots, you can check your answer in some seconds and you can find out that your answer is right or wrong. So students, in my today's video, I will tell you how to find the digital roots. आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि डिजिटल रूट कैसे निकालते हैं. Then in my next videos, I will tell you how to apply this digital root for checking addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So students, are you ready? Let's start with the first sum. your question will be find the digital root. See, your question will be there, find the digital root. Then you will get one sum. Like you can get 3, 2, 3, 4 and 9. Now you have to find the digital root of this number. Now how you will find? See students, you have to add the each digit. Like the first digit is 2. So 2 plus second is 3. Third is 4. And the last is 9. So you have to add each digit. Now add them, find the answer. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. And 9 plus 9, 18. Now you will think that this is your digital root. No students. See, digital roots should always be a single digit. Like digital root should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 is not a digital root. Your digital root should always be one digit. Now see here is 2 digit. So again add them. 1 plus 8. Now see, now it is coming a single digit and this is your digital root 9. Are you getting my point, students? Let's take some more examples. 91. Find the digital root of this number. So how you will find? Add both the numbers. 9 plus 1. Now what is 9 plus 1? It is 10. Now is this a single digit number or a double digit number? See, 1, 2. 2 digits are there in it. So it is not a digital root. Add them again. Now what is your answer? 1. So this is the digital root. It's very easy, students. This means that till then you will not get a single digit number. You have to add the digits. जब तक आपको एक सिंगल डिजिट नंबर नहीं मिल जाता, आपको डिजिट्स को ऐड करते रहना है. Now we can take one more example. 1, 6, 4, 8. Now see what you have to do. You have to add the digits. Now see, add them. See, I can add 6 plus 1, but it will be tough. I will add them like you use in maths. Like we will add the numbers which make 10. Like 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 8, 18 and 18 plus 1, 19. So it is a 2-digit number. So this is not your digital root. Add them again. Now what it will be? 10. Now this again is not a digital root because it is a 2-digit number. Add them again. Now this is your digital root. Now students, now I think you understand that how to find a digital root. किसी नंबर का digital root कैसे निकालते हैं? Means नवशेष. 9 and what remains means you have to add all the digits and you have to add till. You will not get a single digit. जब तक आपको single digit नहीं मिल जाता, आपको add करते रहना है. So students, today you have learned digital roots and how to take out the digital root of a number. Now students, in my next video I will tell you how to use these digital roots for checking addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So students, make sure you watch every single video and stay tuned to learn more. And students, with this video I have given you one practice PDF. In that PDF you have to find out the digital roots of numbers. So same time I have written the question above and I have given you some numbers. You have to find out the digital root of the numbers. Now students, one thing, the last 3-4 sums you can do by showing the addition. Rest of the sums you can do orally. Like if I am seeing this number 91, in my mind I can do the calculation. Like one sum I will tell you. Orally I will. See, now what you have to do, you have to add the digits. Now add in your mind. 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 plus 1, 20. Now you know this is not your digital root, it is a 2-digit number. Make it 1-digit number. So 2 plus 0 is 2 and this is your digital root. So you can do it orally also. No need to write the whole addition process. So students, your topic is half completed today. So stay tuned and bye-bye for today. Thank you. Practice the sums at home. Like and subscribe. Thank you.